Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Crafts with Mike. And today we have received the Crafts and Beautiful magazine. This is the February copy, which has for some reason come in January, even though it's not February yet. But we have the Crafts and Beautiful celebrating 30 years, and we get 33 digi stamps, and I'm going to be showing you these very, very soon. And as you can see here, we've got a brand new magazine. This is from Jessica Elkin, who is the editor there, and then it says Meet the CB Squad. So this is a magazine that I'm really, really excited about. What's that guy? He does the swimming. Oh man, what's his name? I can't remember. Tom Daly. Look, it's right there in front of me. That's quite a little cute thing. I like that. So yeah, this is called Stamps and Beautiful. Sorry, what's it called? Crafts and Beautiful magazine from I believe it's DC Thompson shop, or it may have been Acefield. They have different things. Oh my god, look at that! Mobile printer for every lifestyle. The eMark Go is one of the most compact and easy to use mobile printers on the market. Design your own personalised imprint in the free app and print your artwork in full colour directly onto almost all absorbent surfaces such as paper, cardboard, wood, textile and many more. Print your own ribbons, labels, tags or cards in no time. But the big question is, how much is this little machine going to cost you? Well, you'll have to. I'll have to look into that because I quite like the look of that. Obviously, it's not going to print paper in that, but it will print a design. Very similar to like a labelling machine, I suppose. So yeah, that's really good. Bumblebee. Oh yeah, look. There's another sort of machine down here. Look, some sort of machine there. Got loads of different crafts in this. So we've got the craft fair. Oh look, craft buddies. Really, that's interesting that they've put them in this magazine. It's not really a magazine you would think they would pop up in, but obviously you can, all sorts of wonderful things here if you want to make a little photo frame. Years ago at school we used to do a theatre, and what that meant was we got a shoebox, we turned it in, we cut some flaps in it to create a window, and then we turned it into a Punch and Judy shoebox theatre thing. Put a bit of cloth on the back, works a treat. Origami or kirigami. Oh my god, kirigami. Rosebud, there's one for you. Because I don't know what kirigami is. I know what origami is. Origami is making things out of, or making shapes, if you like, out of paper. Normally in the form of animals or something. Origami balloon box there. Just one sheet of paper is all you need to make this folded box, or one sheet of paper for all you do to have a crap. Yes. That's what I... That's the first thing that came to my mind when I saw this. Oh yeah. So these are the stamps that I was telling you about. I'll be showing you them very soon. With every copy you do get yourself a free gift. Unmissable offer when you subscribe to Craft Buddies. 3 issues for only £14.99. That's a massive saving of just 37%. Free ways to subscribe there via the DC website. Or call the number here on 0800 904 7000. Once again on the blower, that's 0800 904 7000. So please pick up your phones, get dialing and subscribe to this fantastic magazine. It really is good, and you don't miss out. 3 issues for a whopping £14.99. They're a really great saving. And I know that woman, but I've forgotten her name. Something Solomon. So something borrowed there. Lots of lovely ideas. Welcome to the wedding of Jess and Ben. Happy wedding there, Jess and Ben. Really, really lovely. Lots of blooms there of flowers in there. Pearly gates, lovely, jubbly. Very gorgeous blue there, I like that. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh man. Oh, I like that colour. That's beautiful. Wax melts apparently create fragrant favours as a memento of your big day. So it basically just tells you lots of things that you can create. Marriage materials there. Happily ever after starts here with Lord Farquhar from Shrek there. Ring bearer collar. Give your pet an important part to play in your big day. Molly wouldn't let me do that, so I can't. Fabulous. Whatever that says, I can't pronounce that. Oh yeah, that reminds me of my sister used to have these wax melt things, and I think they were like, they melted in the bath and they gave you a scent or something. But I've got a YouTuber who specialises in cards. I've actually bought some of her before. She's really, really good. Brands we love there, all about sewing machines and you pull out the that is an absolute awful design. I don't like that. Colour notes there, really, really gorge. And then we got pressed flowers. Oh yeah, look at that. So you sort of press the flowers onto the glass maybe, and then you put a candle in it maybe. It says Craft Smart here, use tweezers to handle your flowers to avoid damaging them apparently. I'll have to have a look at that, quite like that. Oh yeah, Clayful Creations. Step into spring, step into Christmas, la 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 la. That is a song. Step into spring with these playful polymer pick-me-ups. I've never tried to pick me up, but what they're saying here is obviously you can decorate your own vase and then put flowers on the around the vase and stick them on. As you can see, lovely magazine, it's gorgeous, absolutely fantastic quality, and this all sort of started when I saw an advert on Facebook, and I've been hooked ever since. So crafting makes my soul soar, and craft skills, no pattern paper, no problem, create your own with Colette's easy technique. So Colette Smith here will be teaching you how to do that. There was a shop in Braintree Freeport called the Craft or the Paper Mill, and you used to go in there and there was all this different colour cards, you know, every colour you could think of, and you could go in there, pick a box, and you know, pick all the different cards you want for a set fee. If you wanted more card, then it would be a different sort of box price, but you can fill a box with all the cards you want for like a set fee. And then it comes up here, also an episode backstitch along the cross stitch frame holes. Next month we join Kitty Day reveals how to create impressive stencil backgrounds. Just magnificent, so that's going to be really good. I suspect that's going to be the March issue there. Ask the experts if you need help with a crafty conundrum. Let our team help with Colette Smith or Helen Fitzjohn or Ingrid Fischover. And they'll help you along the way there. Get the picture, absolutely gorge. And it does say here, get up to 20% off at very.co.uk and Ryman.co.uk. I've never tried Ryman, but I know what Very is. Very do like, very similar to ClearPay, Klarna. They do, basically ClearPay and Klarna is a company where you don't have to pay the full cost. So say something's like £49, you can split the cost over 6 weeks with ClearPay, Klarna, and I think Very does it as well. Draft excluders, so this must have homeware to keep your house cozy and stylish, yes. Very, very cool there. And the stitching edit, winter is no time to hold back, dial up the cozy factor this chilly season with our selection of soft and snuggly windy wonder. Oh my god, Snuggly Windy Wonder. I like it. Snuggly Wonder Balls. There we go. Sorry, tongue tied there. And Crafty Times. Give your tea towels the crochet treatment. Lovely. Very gorge. Oh yes. I remember doing something like that with buyer subscriptions. One of the deals was I got a big packet of yarn free of charge for a magazine that I signed up to. But if you do want to join Let's Knit Together, you can join Let's Knit. I do that magazine. It's only available for new subscribers, so yeah. And join our patchwork blanket cowl sign up, and on an annual member of $59.99, so if you've got spare £59.99, then you can get yourself a free 1,700 grams Aran yarn bundle worth £40. There's one for you, Angela McCabe. And then we got baby booties there. Say hello to Happy Feet with this sweet pair of knitted jumbo slippers. That looks so cute. And obviously some knitted creations there. It gives you all the information you need. And then, oh, Ruby Rabbit! Ugh, absolutely no, I don't like that. Ugh. It's nice, don't get me wrong, but it's giving me the creeps. I don't like it. It just looks really evil looking. But yeah, we've got like, I've seen these, they're Iberian iPad and tablet cushions. I mean, I'm not really sure I would use them. But you can get a cushion or a beanbag for your phone. Yes. And template toasters there. Coming up in next issue, we've got win £200 plus a die cutting machine, and I will go into that, what that is, in just a few minutes time. Bundle up for grabs, make the perfect Easter card with our must-try guide. Spend $200 at Gina K Designs with our voucher giveaway. Get your free book. Worth $12.99 in our book club special Craft for Mum with 100 plus projects, bonus digi downloads, 10 papers plus 29 toppers plus 14 digi stamps. Yes, and that's on sale on February the 23rd. You can also get this in all good retailers from Tesco, Morrison's, that sort of thing, any news agents as well there. And that dog looks so cute. Oh. And then it says sell your handmade crafts online. So if you fancy making something, you can actually sell them. You receive your first month free. An online marketplace designed for handmade crafts in the UK, selling over 1,000 product categories, packages for as you grow. Clear and transparent fees, support from real people, social linking and integration. Cancel anytime at www.youtubecreates.co.uk. I feel like I should be on that TV show. You know that there's a TV show where they present things like products and things, and then they like go through the products and then they try to sell it on TV. I would be really good at that. I have the voice of a presenter. But yeah, everything is made easy with the DKS100 and DKS30 Special Edition. If you fancy a sewing machine, that looks a bit like a touchscreen there, but really, really good. Let's get out with that. Enough of craft and beauty. Let's take a look at the gorgeous stamp set. So this is the gorgeous stamp set, really, really good. 30-piece set, stamp set there, plus 5 build background stencils. Now, sometimes you will need a die cutting machine. If you rewind on some of my videos, you'll see that we got a love heart stamp. Like a stencil thing, they have to go in a die cutting machine. A die cutting machine is basically, if you've got a piece of card, you put the die onto that card, it goes through a machine very similar like a laminator, and it prints it into the card. It makes an indentation there. So I'm going to open this very carefully. Subscribe to Crafts and Beautiful today. Find our best trial offer here, so you can get yourself a trial there. And as I said, I thought it might be DC Thompson shop there.co.uk/R21T. Gives to you. Check out our latest offers. Visit dcthompsonshop.co.uk/2IE. I can't get it out. I'm still saying it. 21T. There we go. Today. Obviously, I'm going to take this out very clearly, carefully even. Oh, it feels lovely. Oh, it feels. Oh my God! Look, I've just seen a bumblebee. Oh, that's so cute. Oh yeah, man. Oh wow. Oh. Right, what this is with there's a company called All Stampin' Up, and what this would be is you would basically take this off here, and then when you've got ink, you get ink, you slap the ink onto here or that side, and you put it on the paper, and it, like, if I wanted to put it there, you would put like ink on it and then stamp it there, and it will, you know, put it all on the card for you. So lots of lovely designs there, really, really good, and we'll use that near down the line. I'm looking into bringing artful stamping onto the channel, but it is a little bit on the pricey side for me at the moment. But yeah, that little bumblebee looks really cute. We've got some butterflies and all sorts there, some wings and boots, bee kind there, with love, thinking of you, oh thank you, and beautiful and best wishes there, really, really good. A lovely tulip and hello, it's me. You know, Adele, every time I see hello or say hello, I think of that Adele song that goes, hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet to go over. Don't get me singing, I'll be you all night. And then we've got happy birthday to you, happy birthday. But yeah, can't wait to use them. They look absolutely gorgeous. It looks like we've got something else up here. Let's take a look at that. Not entirely sure what these are, but wow. Oh, okay. I'm not familiar with these. I'll ask my expert on that, because I do have someone that specialises in these types of stamps. Not entirely sure what these do, but they're obviously stencils. Oh yeah, look, stencils dirt. In that case, I won't ask my specialist. But yeah, I'm going to have a lot of fun with these. I just need to get some ink. You can use all sorts of different ink as well. Black, blue, green, you know, work what's best with you. And, you know, you can make a nice card, sentiments. You know, you can use that as a sentiment inside the card, and then put like a rose on the card and a bee and a, you know, a flower, or you are beautiful. You know that, can't remember who sings that, but someone sings it. Best wishes there. So you can do a lot with these stamps, really, really thing. And you never know, we might do a card next week with these. I might get some ink ordered and we'll go from there. They do sell some really lovely inks with artful stamping. They come in like a little case thing that slots up and flips up and things. So really, really good. So if you like what you see, please do check out DC Thompson Shop. As I said, you do get yourself a free gift with every issue. And the great thing is about this Crafts and Beautiful thing is you never know what the next gift is going to be. That is a surprise. So there we go, Crafts and Beautiful. And there's also another thing here that says the WI Inspiring Women free every month. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. We've got Disney Crochet coming along onto the channel very, very soon. It's not going to be too much longer before it's on the channel. We're going to be crocheting very, very soon. But I'll see you tomorrow for a little bit more of the gnome painting. Yes, we're going to be painting gnomes tomorrow. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Bye-bye.